Hi, so this is your last assignment for IB English 3 for this class year. So let's dive right in. So you're going to be doing a project and you have some choices. You do not have to do both options if you want to, but if you want to do both, you can. Okay. The first option is Blackout Poetry, where you're reflecting on your junior year in English. And then the second is a Flipgrid reflection video. So you can choose one or both of those. In both of them, you're going to be reflecting on the year and creating something kind of artistic and visual. And you have some options. You have choice here, right? But really the main difference is that with the Blackout Poetry, you will not be required to speak. You'll be required to create a poem using an old piece of text. And with the video, you would then be required to speak. So whichever works better for you. If you like to express yourself through art and poetry and writing, then the first option is for you. And if you would rather talk about something or talk through something, the second option is for you. So let's talk through these. Ms. McDonough has a really great introductory video that I highly suggest that you watch to give you a better idea of what you're about to do. But let's go through some of these instructions for both options so that we are on the same page. For the Blackout Poetry, you will need an old book or a magazine page and a marker or a pen, and then your phone to be able to take a picture of your final product. So the prompt here is pretty simple. What did you learn about the world and yourself this year? How did you grow and change? What are you thankful for? And what will you miss? So this prompt, you're not maybe going to find when you look at your old newspaper article or magazine page or book page. You might not find the exact words that you would have said to reflect on these, but you might find words that help to express how you feel or that talk about one of the things that you learned. It'll be a little more abstract, a little bit less direct and clear reflection, but it'll be beautiful and artistic. So again, find an old newspaper article, magazine page, or book page, tear it out, find an anchor word, a word that has a lot of meaning for you and that connects to your junior year as a whole. And then you're going to basically create your poem around that one word. So find other words that connect to that word and help to form a sentence to show your ideas. Okay. Again, this poem should connect to what you learned about yourself this year, how you grew, and what you're thankful for. So whatever text you choose, make sure that you're looking for words that connect to that. Then, after you have found the words that you want to use for your Blackout poem, you found your one word that connects, and then you found the words that help to explain your sentence there. You are going to use a big black marker to black out anything else on the page so that only those words that you chose are the ones that show through. Okay. Then you will take a picture of your work on your phone, and you can either email it to us or go to the Google Slides app and insert the photo directly into the workspace on this next slide here. So you'll notice that there is an example. If you've forgotten what Blackout Poetry looks like, that is what this is. And so if you'll see here, the most important word or phrase was found, and then the other words that connect to that were found, and then an entire poem was created around that. So this one says, we get the good stuff, small gems, a few moments filled with bliss, beautiful with all your might. You open like small sparks. You are a star, true beauty, right? That's beautiful. And they took a regular piece of text and made a poem out of it. So then if you wanted to, yours could go here, or you can email it to us. That is option one. The second option is to create a video. And so then you would go to flipgrid.com/McDonough20, read the post that gives you the instructions on how to do this, and watch Ms. McDonough's video that tells you how to do it. And then you'll create your own video to reflect on the year and say goodbye. So let us know if you have questions. You can do that by doing a private comment on this assignment or sending us an email. And you can also come to our office hours. We love you and we miss you, and we look forward to seeing what you create for this final project.